Hi everyone. So yesterday we learned about the pivot tables, the basic how we can do the pivot. So if you guys haven't watched it, so please go through it. So this is the second series of the pivot table. So yesterday I have prepared this pivot table. So if no one has watched, I will show again what I have done. So this is the basic table I had. So I selected this one already and I click on insert, okay, in the toolbar, and then I click pivot table, and then I click in the new sheet. So this is how I can create the tables like this. Just I am putting everything randomly. So oops, this is not required. So this is how I was putting it. So leave about it. So this is how I have created this table yesterday. So how we can do much more with this table. So once we create this pivot table, so it will be look like this. So we can change the design here also. So how we can do? You can go here on the toolbar and click on the design. So here you will see the layouts, these four options, and in the right hand you can see this color. So in the layout, if you can see, insert blank line after each item and remove black line after each item. If I click insert black line, so see this line has been created. You can see this line, okay. So it is after corporate manager, there is manufacturing. So like this, okay. And if I want to remove it, I will remove it, or it is removed. And similarly in report layout, it is currently in the compact form. If I click on show compact, it is already there. I want in outline form, I will click it, so it will be visible like this. So it looks more clear. If I want to show in tabular form, it will take it in my table form. See, it is showing in tabular form. And see, it is asking repeat all items. So what it will show, that whatever is the like business unit, it will repeat it. Okay, computer system engineer, it is manufacturing, senior analyst manufacturing, senior manager here in research. So it is repeating, but it doesn't looks good. So I will put do not repeat the items. So this is how you can do. Okay. And now the another thing, like whenever you click pivot table, so automatically it do one thing. If you see this grand total here in the row column, and here, let me enlarge it. So this one, so it will in the row level also, it is giving the grand total. So might be someone get confused, what is this total? Is this a total of what you want to represent? So we can hide it also here. So you can see in the grand total, in the design toolbar, if you click on the grand total, it is asking off for rows and columns. Okay, if I click on off and row and column, it will be removed from both. See, so now it is nothing is here, it's simple. It is showing the numbers for male and female. Okay, and if I click again on design, and I will say on for rows only, so it will give only for rows. Okay, and if I click on for columns only, so it will give only for columns. So leave it as it is before. So I put on for both of them. Okay, now coming to the subtotal, so it is showing that do not show subtotal. So once I click here, it won't show the subtotal, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, let me highlight it here so it will be visible to you guys. So if you see, okay, for this corporate it is showing, for research and development total it is showing, and okay, and specialty products it is showing. So see, I will click on designs, go to subtotal, do not show subtotal. See, it has vanished. So it is only showing that yes, in corporate department this is something. So you can like how you want to present your data, you can do like this. And if I click show subtotal, at the bottom of the group. So it is showing bottom now only. Okay, here only it is showing specifically this is manufacturing, this is manufacturing total, this is specialty project total. And if I think show all top totals at the top of the group, so it will show on the top only. So this is how we can do it. Okay. Okay. Now another thing, this design table, so we can do designs also here, so you can see it is changing. So this is how you can change the design also, like how you want to present it. So this is you can change your design also. And one thing like this. Okay, let me make it more zoom. Okay, so okay, so you see this manufacturing. Okay, so oops, no, what is happening? I don't want these notifications. Clear all notification, collapse. Okay. Yeah. So where we are, okay. So if you see this one, okay. So if you click on this minus, so it will collapse it also. You can see. So you can do like this also. And whatever you want to show, suppose you are interested in research and development, you click it here. So it will enlarge this one. You will click it here, it will enlarge. So this is how you can play with the pivot tables. Okay, now let's do one thing. I am removing the slicer. Okay, so I have deleted this one. And okay, so okay, now there is one thing. Suppose you want to show it in a graphical view, so you can go to pivot analyze and you will see here. So okay, so in a pivot chart here, so once you click here na, so it will automatically take some charts. See, you can select from here also, like how you want to present. Suppose it looks fine to me, I will click OK. So automatically it will show this in the chart form also. So pivot is very powerful. Like in my next series I will show you what graphs also. Sorry, I'm getting too much advanced. So graphically also you can show it. So it's pretty easy. So you can do lots of things here. And there is another thing. Yesterday I show you insert slicer. There is one more option, insert timeline here, but it is okay if you have some data related to dates. Currently I don't have any dates here, so I will try to create another video like which in which I have data on the dates. So if I click here, you see, okay, pivot analyze, let's try it, insert timeline. Okay, so see, it is showing we cannot create a timeline for this report because it doesn't have a field formatted as date. So no problem, I will create another video on this one, like how you can use this data. So that's it for today. And if I have anything more, or if you guys have anything more, you can ask me in the comments, like regarding the pivot table. So that's it for today. So Vineet Padwal signing off. Thank